Planning a trip to Mallorca? Want to know the best places to visit that are not tourist traps? Well, you're in for a treat. Nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean, Mallorca is a captivating island that boasts of sun-kissed sandy beaches, mesmerizing turquoise waters, and a vibrant nightlife that could give Ibiza a run for its money. It's a popular holiday destination, enticing millions of sun-seekers, beach lovers, and adventure enthusiasts every year. But beyond the usual touristy hustle and bustle, there's a whole different side to Mallorca waiting to be explored. This video aims to take you off the beaten path. We'll provide you with insider tips and tricks on how to truly immerse yourself in the local culture, discover hidden gems, and get the most out of your Mallorcan holiday. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with insider tips to make your Mallorca trip an unforgettable experience. First off, let's move beyond the crowded beaches and explore some lesser-known attractions of Mallorca. As you may know, Mallorca is more than just sun, sea, and sand. It's a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered by the intrepid traveler. Our first stop is the quiet, picturesque village of Dea. Nestled in the heart of the Serra de Tramuntana, Dea is a paradise for lovers of tranquility and natural beauty. Its stone houses, winding streets, and stunning views of the Mediterranean are sure to leave you spellbound. Don't miss out on a visit to the ancient church of San Juan Bautista, which offers panoramic views of the valley. Next, let's head to the serene Formentera beach. Tucked away at the northernmost point of the island, Formentera is a world away from the bustling tourist hotspots. Its crystal-clear waters and pristine white sands are the perfect backdrop for some well-deserved relaxation. If you're a fan of wildlife, keep an eye out for the rare birds that make this beach their home. Our final stop is the stunning Coves del Drac, or the Dragon Caves. Located on the east coast of the island, these caves are a natural wonder that you simply cannot miss. As you explore the caves, you'll be greeted by stalactites and stalagmites that have been forming for millions of years. The highlight of the Coves del Drac is the Martel Lake, considered one of the largest underground lakes in the world. Here, you can enjoy a unique boat trip accompanied by a classical music concert. Now, how's that for a memorable experience? Each of these places has its own unique charm and offers a glimpse into the soul of Mallorca. They allow you to experience the island's rich history, stunning natural beauty, and tranquil pace of life, far removed from the usual tourist trails. These hidden gems will offer you a serene and authentic experience of Mallorca that most tourists miss out on. So next time you're planning a trip to this Mediterranean paradise, make sure to include these spots in your itinerary. You won't regret it. Now that you've seen some of Mallorca's hidden gems, it's time to tantalize your taste buds with the island's local cuisine. Let's start with sobrasada. This is a raw, cured sausage made from selected pork meat seasoned with salt, paprika, and black pepper. It's a unique Mallorcan delicacy that's spread on bread like butter. The smooth texture and smoky flavor will leave you craving more. Next, let's talk about ensaimada. This is a sweet, spiral-shaped pastry that's light, fluffy, and dusted with powdered sugar. It's a staple at breakfast tables across Mallorca. Pair it with a cup of local coffee for an authentic start to your day. Then there's tumbit, a traditional Mallorcan vegetable dish. It's a delicious mix of potatoes, eggplants, bell peppers, and tomatoes, all layered and baked to perfection. Tumbit is a testament to the island's rich bounty of fresh produce. Mallorca's culinary scene also includes a variety of seafood dishes, given its location in the Mediterranean. Grilled squid, prawns, and fresh fish are just a few of the ocean's offerings you'll find at local eateries. But what's a meal without a glass of local wine? Mallorca has a burgeoning wine scene that's rapidly gaining recognition. The island's unique climate and fertile soil produce a variety of grapes, resulting in a diverse range of wines. Some of the notable wineries for a tasting experience include Bodega Ribas, one of the oldest on the island, and Bodega Masia Bartel, known for its innovative approach to winemaking. Both offer tours and tastings that provide a deeper understanding of the local wine culture. And of course, don't forget to try some Hierbas de Mallorca, a traditional herbal liqueur. It's often served as a digestif after meals and comes in sweet, semi-sweet and dry varieties. Indulging in local food and wine is an excellent way to immerse yourself in the culture of Mallorca. Enjoy the myriad of flavors that this beautiful island has to offer. If you're an adventure enthusiast, Mallorca won't disappoint you. This Mediterranean gem is packed with pulsating activities that will make your heart race and your spirit soar. From the beautiful coastline to the rugged interior, the island offers a diverse range of adrenaline-pumping pursuits. One of the most popular activities is cycling. With its breathtaking landscapes and challenging terrains, Mallorca is a cyclist's paradise. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a casual cyclist, you'll find routes that cater to your skill level. For those who prefer to explore on foot, the Serra de Tramuntana mountain range beckons. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers numerous hiking trails that wind through lush forests, past quaint villages and up rocky peaks, providing panoramic views that are nothing short of spectacular. Not to forget, Mallorca's azure waters offer a playground for water sports enthusiasts. From sailing to scuba diving, the island's clear, warm sea is perfect for a wide range of aquatic adventures. These adventure activities will add an adrenaline rush to your Mallorca trip. So, are you ready to explore Mallorca like never before? Picture yourself lost in the maze of its hidden gems, discovering the unspoiled beauty of this island paradise. From the captivating charm of its quaint villages to the mesmerizing allure of its secluded beaches, every corner of Mallorca is a treasure waiting to be unearthed. And then there's the food, the glorious food. Imagine savoring the rich flavors of Mallorca's local cuisine, paired perfectly with some of the island's finest wines. Each bite, each sip is a journey of its own, a taste of the island's vibrant culture and history. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Picture yourself embracing the thrill of the great outdoors, engaging in exhilarating activities that set your pulse racing and your spirit soaring. Whether you're a seasoned thrill-seeker or a curious explorer, Mallorca offers a world of adventure that is bound to leave you breathless. With these tips in hand, you're all set to make the most of your holiday trip to Mallorca. Safe travels.